Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Christine Stewart. The mortgage industry keeps shrinking, and Friday's major news about a deal between HomePoint and the loan store is just the latest example. As we first told you on Friday, HomePoint is selling its wholesale operation to the loan store, and unfortunately, that deal means more layoffs. Of the 500 employees at HomePoint before the deal, 100 are going to the loan store. That includes HomePoint President of Originations, Phil Shoemaker. And about 50 will remain at HomePoint as the company focuses solely on mortgage servicing. That leaves 350 workers who HomePoint is laying off. HomePoint says they will be offered severance but declined to share the terms. Meanwhile, the loan store president, Brandon Stein, says this deal will allow his company to sustainably scale its business. And that seems to be the magic word right now in the industry: scale. Everyone in the mortgage space is struggling. Independent mortgage banks and mortgage subsidiaries of chartered banks lost $300 per loan last year. JP Morgan Chase Jamie Dimon recently said the high cost of origination and complex regulations make it increasingly difficult for banks to stay in the mortgage business, which ultimately hurts everyday Americans. According to Black Knight, between March of 2021 and January of 2023, total mortgage originations fell by 83%. And refinances fell 95% as spiking interest rates killed demand. Inside Mortgage Finance says non-banks now originate 71% of the agency-backed loans and 86% of government-backed loans. But non-banks still have their own problems because they operate with relatively thin cushions of capital, which means there are likely more layoffs on the horizon. And homebuyers still aren't feeling great about their chances of getting a home soon, even as rates slide and prices cool. Fannie Mae's Homebuyer Sentiment Index did rise 3 points in March from the prior month, but it remains only slightly above an all-time low set last October. And the index is still down nearly 12 points from where it was a year ago. That's because 1 in only 5 people think it's a good time to buy a home. The index found homeowners say interest rates are too high and they feel locked into their current mortgage. Meanwhile, renters were more likely to say that high home prices are the problem. On the plus side, only 21% of consumers are worried about losing their job in the next 12 months. That's an improvement of 3 percentage points. Up next, hiring the right person can free you up to focus on more customers.
Tired of turndowns and wasting 25 basis points or more on slow and manual loan processing? Divorce your processor and break free with Morgan Chat AI. There are no bad deals or tough loans, only deserving families that need AI-driven fast and accurate service. We treat every client fairly and with empathy. AI that understands how you feel.
I am Morgan. I get you.
Welcome back. It may feel hard to justify the cost of hiring an assistant right now, but those who have done it say it's one of the best investments they've made. Our own Mike Savino has more.
Does Ronald McDonald cook his own French fries?
Feel like you're doing everything, like you're always behind? Try hiring a loan officer assistant. Andres Munar did a decade ago, and he says it's a game changer.
And really my business doubled from there because I now was able to talk to more realtors, talk to more clients, and I was able to be more of the front person.
A good LOA does more than just free you up to talk with customers and referral sources. They can help you multitask by doing the little things when a mortgage application needs attention.
I need a cost sheet. I need an application link sent. I'm on the road. Can you do this for me?
But you have to be careful about what you have your assistants do. If they don't have a license, they can't always substitute for an originator.
That means you have to define what they can and can't do. It might also help to hire an assistant with no prior knowledge of the mortgage process.
So they might be able to answer that question just through their own knowledge and answer it accurately, not defrauding them, not deceiving them. but they're not allowed to because they're unlicensed.
You can learn all about how the right assistant can help you in NMP Magazine, available now at nmpmag.com. Reporting for The Interest, I'm Mike Savino.
Thanks, Mike. We're looking to celebrate the impact women are having in the mortgage industry with our Mortgage Star Awards. So if you know an incredible woman who has helped shape the industry, let us know. These can be women who have shown growth and achievement, are dedicated to their communities, or have mentored others in the industry. You can make a nomination at nmplink.com/mortgagestar. The deadline is April 14th. Honorees will be recognized in an upcoming issue of Mortgage Women magazine. They'll also be honored at Mortgage Star July 10th in New Orleans. You can join these inspirational ladies by signing up for Mortgage Star at mortgage-star.net. Attendees also get into the Ultimate Mortgage Expo the next day at no additional cost. Coming up, Zillow is letting people use mortgage costs to search for homes.
Network with more than 2,000 attendees in Irvine for the California Mortgage Expo, May 3rd and 4th. From San Diego to LA to San Francisco, no one does it like we do. Sign up now at camortgageexpo.com.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. With mortgage rates continuing to bounce around, monthly mortgage payments can change a lot in a short period of time. Zillow is now letting home shoppers see what options fit into their budget at any given moment. The online realtor is unveiling a new search tool that lets people filter home searches based on monthly cost. And the tool considers all factors, including the principal and interest payment, taxes, and even homeowner association fees. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.